G'day, my name's Harrison. This is my 1985 Suzuki Sierra. It's a 1.2 litre. So my little Zook started here as a farm rig, just a little shoot around, run around. I've had it since a kid and decided that I'd fix it up. The little Zook here is mainly just weekender, go up hard tracks. She's small enough to get in between trees and all the hard ruts and stuff. I kind of miss all the bigger ruts for like guys on 37, so she just zooms up and she does well. So I've got this bull bar that was fitted by Suzuki in Bayswater. He put a 9,500 pound winch on it, worn winch. Got a little steady light bar and the GME aerial for out when I'm out bush. Suzuki in Bayswater did my rock sliders. He also did my roof. He also did my roll cage here and my rear bar. So jerry can holder, so you can use your water or your fuel. He also did my spare tyre. He also did my tow bar for recoveries because there's not too many recovery points on the little Suzuki, but it does the job. More just working out all the kinks and bits and pieces. Went with Raptor, easy to use. This first time ever painting a car. Stripped all back, sanded it, primed it, and then wrapped it and turned out a treat. So next on my list for the Zook will be gearbox out. I've got to rebuild it, just making a few noises. And then probably reduction gears next. And then that will be it on the list for now. I'll just spend the time enjoying her.